Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into the world of MEXC Trade, an outstanding platform that offers incredible opportunities for crypto enthusiasts and traders alike. MEXC Trade is known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced traders. With a vast selection of cryptocurrencies available for trading, MEXC allows you to leverage various trading pairs to maximize your investment potential. Whether you are interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, MEXC got you covered. One of the key advantages of trading on MEXC is its competitive trading fees, which can significantly enhance your overall profitability. Plus, the platform provides advanced trading tools and features, such as margin trading and futures options, empowering you to make informed trading decisions. Now, here's something special for our viewers. By using the referral code 12K4M5, you'll unlock exclusive benefits that enhance your trading experience on MEXC. This code will grant you access to reduced trading fees, promotional events, and even potential bonuses on your first deposit. It's an excellent opportunity to start your trading journey with added perks. Moreover, MEXC places a strong emphasis on security, ensuring that your assets are safe and sound. They implement cutting-edge security measures, including two-factor authentication and cold wallet storage, so you can trade with peace of mind. In conclusion, MEXC Trade stands out as a premier choice for anyone looking to dive into cryptocurrency trading. With its intuitive platform, competitive fees, and exciting benefits through our referral code 12K4M5, now is the perfect time to get started. Join the MEXC community today and take your crypto trading to the next level. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from Crypto Kickstart. Happy trading!